Never left with enough money? Don't worry, I got your back. So hey promoters, welcome to Promo. My name is Hrishikesh and I make money, finance and business easy for you. So let's jump right onto the video. Today I will be telling you 5 different ways in which you can save money. So the first method is setting goals. You will never know how much money to save if you don't know what are you saving for. Goals give you a clear roadmap in which direction you should move forward. So if you just save money without a purpose, you will end up spending that savings. It's because you don't have a clear perspective of where that money should go in use. So define your goals, set a realistic execution plan according to your current financial situation. So be it buying a house, retirement, higher education, emergency funds, or whatever. Just set the goals. So the second way of saving now is making a budget. Making a budget will clearly set boundaries on your spending and help you track your money. So allocate a budget for each and every category, so be it rent, bills, groceries or miscellaneous. This will give you a clear idea of where your each and every penny will be spent. Expenses such as rents and bills, these are mostly fixed, but expenses such as shopping, entertainment, groceries, these all things can be controlled. Having a budget will not leave you wondering where your money is going. Most of the people don't make a budget because they think it's too time consuming. Actually, it's not. You just need to spare some time to put a limit on where and how much your money will be spent on each and every category. It is as easy as it sounds. This brings me to the third way of saving, which is avoid buying brand new things. Buying things costs money, but buying brand new things costs even more money. People buy brand new stuff thinking it is the best value for their money. But they don't realize that the things which they are buying are also available in the second-hand market and it is more than enough to meet their needs. So when you buy second-hand products, you save a ton of money in the long run. So let's say you need a bicycle and on average the new one will cost you around $300 to $400. What you can do instead is that you can search on different websites such as Amazon or eBay for second-hand bicycles. You will be surprised to find bicycles in really good conditions and for a relatively cheaper prices. This scenario is applicable for all kinds of products mostly. Now the fourth way of saving is avoiding impulse purchases and mindless spending. You make a grocery list and you go to a supermarket to shop them. But you come back home with more things than it was originally in the list made by you. So let's say you only plan to buy vegetables, but you come back home with a pack of chips and chocolates also. So buying things unplanned spontaneously is called an impulse purchase. Eating out frequently at fast food restaurants, buying makeup regularly, shopping at clothing stores, these all things constitute of impulse purchases and mindless spending. So let's say you eat out at restaurants 7 to 8 times a month, limited to once or twice a month. And same goes with shopping of makeup or clothes or any other things. These things burn a lot of money, which could have been easily saved. So the fifth way of saving is to invest and have multiple incomes. Saving money from just one source of income can be a little stressful and unmanageable at times. Having multiple channels of income will give you a lot of freedom to save. This will help you reach your saving goals early on in life. Depending on just one source of income will lead you to living paycheck to paycheck. This will give you no time to focus on other aspects of your finances. You will live every time on a very tight budget. This will give you very less opportunity to save money. So if you want to start with investing, you can watch the video on my channel where I've explained in detail how you can start with investing. So to sum up everything, I would like to say a knowledgeable quote from Warren Buffett on saving, which is, "Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." So that was all from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if this video brought even the tiniest bit of value to you, please consider subscribing my channel. Guys, for this video, I am aiming 130 likes. Your likes will motivate me to make more valuable content for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon. This will notify you whenever I upload a new video. and let me know in the comment section below your saving goals. And you can share this video with someone who needs to see this. And for more contents and updates, you can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook. And lastly guys, if you like my work, you can also support me on Patreon. All the links are in the description below. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep promoting.